everyone! Today we are making chocolate pancakes. These pancakes just need few simple ingredients and gets ready in no time. So let's get started. Let's combine all the dry ingredients first. In a mixing bowl, take all-purpose flour, some baking powder. I'm using granulated sugar. We can also use caster sugar as well as powdered sugar. Half a cup of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to get rid of all the lumps. Add 1 cup of milk and few drops of vanilla essence and mix until everything is combined. You can add more milk if your batter looks too thick. Grease a pan with oil. You can also use butter. When you see bubbles formed like this on the pancake, flip it over. Let's make some more pancakes like these. I'm gonna serve these chocolate pancakes with some chocolate sauce. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up down below. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking.